parabola has vertex at 6, -4 and focus at 2, -4. So, since their y is negative, and that is -4, so they are opens to the left. The standard form for opens to the left is y minus k squared equals 4ax x minus h, and the value for k is the y from vertex, and that is -4. So, this will be y minus -4 squared equals 4ax x minus h. And that is y plus 4, since they have the same sign, squared equals 4 times -4, and this -4 is from the distance vertex and focus, that is 4. So, since they are open to the left, 4 will be negative, and that is -4. X minus 6 from the x of vertex, and the final answer for standard form is y plus 4 squared equals -16 x minus 6. So, the -16 we will be divided it in 4. That is, a equals -4. 2a equals 2 times -4 equals -8. This -8, we will use it to get the latus rectum 1 and 2. So, from this, we will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, the latus rectum number 1 is 2 and 5. And for the latus rectum number 2 is from here, we will count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the latus rectum number 2 is 2, -12. For the directrix, since we use the -4, we will count it again. From here's focus, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, from here, number 7, we will count it into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the directrix is 10. Since it is vertical, so this is x equals to 10. And the axis of symmetry, since focus, vertex, directrix is lined up to -4, so the axis will be y equals -4 since it is horizontal. For the length of latus rectum, 4a, 4 times -4 is equals to -16 units.